Guys, it's your girl NeyahNecole, and I am back with another video. Ooh, 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 ooh. We on a roll with these Halloween looks. Is y'all feeling them? Have y'all been feeling them? Oh, okay, period. I know Instagram been feeling them. My DM's been lit. Okay. Today, I've decided I want to really test my artistry. Yes, I'm testing my artistry, y'all. I want to do, this is an old challenge, but it's perfect for Halloween. I want to do the Bratz doll challenge and turn myself into a Bratz doll. This is the look that I am going to be recreating. She's so pretty, right? I am going to be putting my blonde wig on. Yeah, this is just going to be so interesting, to say the least. So, if you end up liking this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and share it with your homies and stay tuned to see the look.
Okay, so I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm going to glue down my brows. I do this step about 3 or 4 times. I only show you once, but I get my brows all the way down. So I put the glue, I then spoolie, and now I'm putting the powder over my brows. I do wipe all this away and clean every time, and then I'm taking my Q-tip and just cleaning on the edges so it doesn't get gooky in the end once I do my brows. Now I'm taking either a concealer or a foundation, the same color as your skin, and just going over those brows that you covered.
Wow.
Like me, you can say I'm original. Got my own personality.
Because we will be putting a lot of product on, you want to set where you just covered your brows. So I'm taking my translucent powder and just setting it. Now I'm moving all that product up to my forehead so everything matches. Going in with my regular brow pencil and I'm carving out my brows. Guys, when I say that this took me like an hour to do like this, it's no joke whatsoever, okay? I will tell you a tip for this. You have to have a really light hand but still pressure at the same time because you don't want to move the glue or anything else. Now that my brows are done, I'm setting them because, again, this is a lot of product, so you want to set it. Now I'm going to trace out the extended eye part for the doll. You can see I'm looking down into my mirror, but I'm just taking an eyebrow pencil and I'm just carving out the extension of how I want the eye. I do end up pulling down on my eye to be able to draw, still on my skin based off where my eye creases are. Good thing for me is I pretty much have the eye shape of a Bratz doll. They're not as big as a Bratz doll, if that makes sense. So I have the width and the shape, but they're not as huge as a Bratz doll's eye. So just draw it out like this. It's actually pretty easy. I do extend my crease line because you guys know I have tiny eyes, but I grit right above the crease. Like I didn't do too much.
You can say I'm original. Got my own personality. I'm individual. What I wear, what I say, what I look like.
Now I'm going to take my James Morphe palette and I'm just going to take that yellow and I'm going to put it on the lid. And then I'm going to just take my bronzer and brush it into a crease because as you can see in the picture before that she just had a yellow and like a brownish crease. So this is how I did it. I did this a few times. Now I'm going to take my liquid eyeliner. This is from e.l.f. And I'm just going to extend the wing. So because we're extending the eye, you have to extend the wing too. Surprisingly, this one came out perfect and I was so excited about it.
And I know I can be just anything that I like. What I wear, my attitude. It's my own thing, it's what I do. Yeah, I never hold back or hide the way that I feel because I'm keeping it real.
This is where we start to get a little creepy. I'm taking my white eyeliner and filling in where I traced with the eyebrow pencil. This is the extension of the eye, and you just want to put this down everywhere. To get in my waterline, I use my Jumbo NYX pencil to just fill that in some more. Now I'm setting all this because this is liquid liner, so you need to set it just with a white eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take my black and just outline the white part. Taking an e.l.f. eyeliner pen, carving out the extra eyeball that I'm extending. I go in with a brown shadow, and then I go in with black to create the pupil. Go back in with the white just to clean up those edges.
I'm trying to do the Bratz doll eyes. That's the point. I'm doing the cartoon version. Alright, y'all. So I had to go off camera and do this other eye because y'all know I'm half retarded. So for me. But I'm back. It took me 30 minutes to do this. I don't even know what eyes are. Look at my big. My God, I'm gonna me and my mom have been so creative lately. Like
taking my foundation on a body blender, and I am just putting foundation on the bottom half of my face. Then I'm taking a brush just to get closer to those extended eyes that I drew, and then going to your forehead, of course. Then I take a very, very light concealer. I shouldn't have gone this light, but it's okay. And then I'm just blending that out. I do go back in with the darker concealer. I don't show that on camera, but my under eyes were just too light for me. And blend, 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 baby. I even go in with the concealer brush to get closer to those extended eyes that I drew. The drill when it comes to makeup, go ahead and set those under eyes. Good thing for a Bratz doll, their face isn't that contour, but again, they're fucking dolls, so their skin's fucking perfect. I am going to chisel the hell out of my chin to make my chin smaller. Contour your nose. I shouldn't contour my nose as much as I did, but it's whatever. But yes, I am chiseling the hell out of my chin because I need the Bratz doll's chin.
oh my God, look at my jawline. I look crazy.
You can say I'm original. Got my own personality. I'm individual. Wanna wear what I say, what I look like.
Okay, this blush is actually eyeshadow from the James Morphe palette because I needed the colors to be the way that they are. I did a little much, as you can see, but I blended it out and it came out perfect. Now I'm going to add shadow in detail. I'm adding a brown shadow under the eye, and then I'm going to go in with yellow because she has yellow. Okay, so I don't know if you ever paid attention, but Bratz have a odd line in their eyelid. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm just intensifying the crease.
That's right. And I know I can be just anything that I like. What I wear, my
Oh yeah, I'm adding details.
Now here I'm adding the bottom lashes that they had. This, I think, is what made the look a little more scary, but cool. Going in with some mascara, of course. Putting on my Baddie B lashes in the style F-Boy because they're super, super dramatic for this type of look. Y'all, Bratz doll highlights be popping, so you know I had to put on some highlight because I'm a Bratz doll. Now these lips, y'all, oh my God, I've never had juicy lips a day in my life, but this was it. I'm going in with a NYX liner, and I am just carving out them round, juicy Bratz doll lips. This is a ColourPop lipstick in the shade Neat Freak from the Shayla collaboration. I put it, and then of course y'all know I go back and I line my lip just to make sure everything blends seamlessly when it comes to the lippy. And then I go in with a darker pink to kind of make it a little more like of a taupe color. Bratz dolls have a like highlight in their lips, so I just go in with a white gentle pencil.
Okay, let me go put on my wig and I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is the final Bratz doll look. I don't know if I look like a Bratz doll or a drag queen. Either way, this is fire, okay? This for everybody that say I look like a Bratz doll. This was for you, okay? Y'all been trying to get me to do this look since the Bratz doll challenge went viral, okay? Like, and here y'all go. Y'all welcome. Took me a while, but I'm here. Alright guys, if you like this look, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much for always supporting me, and I'll see you in my next video.